Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of s from this equation. We're given that 3 into the bracket of 1 over 3 all raised to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 1 over 3. To solve for the value of s from this equation, as you can see, 1 over 3, 1 over 3 appear in both sides of the equation. The first thing we need to do is to convert this 1 over 3 into a whole number to the power of negative exponent. So recall that when we have 1 all over x, this is the same as x raised to the power of negative 1. So this is equivalent to this. So that when we convert this 1 over 3, is going to be the same as 3 raised to the power of negative 1. So this is the first thing we're going to apply to both sides of the equation. So when we do that, we're going to have 3 into the bracket of, in place of 1 over 3, is going to be 3 raised to the power of negative 1, all raised to the power of x minus 1, which is going to be equal to, here also 1 over 3 is going to be 3 raised to the power of negative 1. Now the next thing we're going to do is to eliminate this 3 by divide both sides by this 3. So we divide the left hand side by 3. We do the same thing to the right hand side so that this 3 can eliminate this 3. In the left hand side we are left with 3 to the power of negative 1 all raised to the power of x minus 1, which is going to be equal to, here we're going to recall the division property of indices. So this 3, ordinary 3, is the same as 3 raised to the power of 1. So when you have the same basis and there's division, all we're going to do is to write one of the base, which is this 3, then we subtract the power. So the first power is minus 1, then minus the second power, which is this minus 1. So this is equivalent to the whole of this. Now the next thing we're going to do is to apply power property to the left hand side of this equation. Power property stated that when you have a number raised to the power of number and all is raised to the power of another number, we are free to multiply the two power together. So when we do that, we're going to have 3, then minus 1 multiplied by x is going to give us minus x, then minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is going to be positive 1. So everything will be equal to 3, then minus 1 is going to give us minus 2. Now what do you notice? The basis is now the same. So when the bases are the same, we just cancel out the base, then we equate the exponent. So as you can see, 3 here and also there is 3 here. So we just equate the power. So the first power is minus x plus 1, which is equal to the second power, which is minus 2. Now we need to combine the like term and get the value of x. So here we are going to have minus x, which is going to be equal to minus 2. So when we take this 1 to the right hand side, become negative 1. So we have minus x in equal to minus 2 minus 1 is going to give us minus 3. Now we have negative x is equal to negative 3, but what we are looking for is x. Now to eliminate this negative, we just divide both sides by negative 1, so that this negative is going to cancel this negative. X by 1 is going to be the same as x, which is equal to, this negative is going to cancel this negative. 3 divided by 1 is the same as 3. So therefore 3 is the value of x that satisfies this equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow this page for more video like this.